Hello and welcome back to LucasLec124. Let's get right into this rocketry video. So the main changes that were made for version 3 of our optimized sugar rocket, which by the way is very close to our final version, which of course I'll give a detailed guide on how to build once it's completed. We used some random hobby cannon fuse as our fuse because other fuses didn't work well, and we made a makeshift pretty terrible nozzle out of some brass pipe. Well, you can see the photo. Anyway, this run was great. I'll let you see it. That initial thing was pretty darn good. So if anyone's actually watched this far, that was right. If you zoom in and do some photo magic on that photo, you can see that we got a peak thrust of around 500 grams. That is over 1 pound of thrust. That means that the thrust to weight ratio of this iron pipe, steel pipe with some brass, is over 1.21. That is really decent considering the fact that a real rocket would not be made of steel pipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, where, after one final modification, we are actually going to give a detailed guide on how to make the best possible sugar rocket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.